Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get text messages on iPad. Alright, so let's begin. The idea is simple. You need to connect the Messages app on your iPad with your iPhone number and Apple ID so you can receive both SMS and iMessages directly on your iPad. So the first thing you need to do is open Settings. If you can't find it on your home screen, just go to the app library and search for Settings. Once you're inside Settings, you'll notice the layout has two sections. On the left side, you can scroll through all the main options, and when you tap one, the details will appear on the right side. Now scroll down on the left menu until you find Messages and tap on it. Here, make sure iMessage is turned on. You'll know it's active when the toggle is green. It may take a few moments to activate if it's being set up for the first time. After that, tap on Send and Receive. This is very important because this is where you connect your Apple ID and your phone number. Make sure both your Apple ID, email, and your phone number are selected and checked here. This ensures that your iPad can sync messages from your iPhone properly. Once everything is set up, you can go back to the Messages app on your iPad and you should start seeing the same conversations that you have on your iPhone appear automatically. And that's it. This is how you can get text messages on iPad. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.